Number 1. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of Parisian culture and history, was erected in 1889. This metallic structure, designed by Gustave Eiffel, stands at over 300 meters tall and has become one of the most famous tourist attractions in the world. The Eiffel Tower embodies a symbol of love and romance, drawing millions of tourists from around the globe each year to enjoy its breathtaking views the world. The tower received 6.32 million visitors in 2023. There are also parks around the tower that tourists visit, and the nature and trees multiply the beauty around the tower, especially in spring. Live music, people dancing, and taking photo with Eiffel Tower are other things that are done around it. It is also possible to see the tower itself, but you have to buy a ticket. There is a very nice restaurant there, and Paris has another beauty from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Tourists wait for hours to see this tower at night. Its glow at night is unique. Every year, different programs are held around the tower, including small villages that include booths from different cultures. Number 2.
Montmartre
is one of the most beloved and charming areas of Paris. With its unique atmosphere and distinct culture, this area has always been a destination for art and culture enthusiasts. With its lively streets, artistic cafes, street artists, and beautiful views.
Montmartre
has maintained its allure. Landmarks such as
Sacré-Cœur Basilica and the Place du Tertre
are prominent tourist attractions in this area. With its vibrant and energetic atmosphere,
Montmartre
offers a special experience for visitors. Number 3. The Moulin Rouge is a famous cabaret venue in the Montmartre district of Paris, France. It's known for its iconic red windmill on the roof and has been a symbol of Parisian nightlife since it first opened its doors in the late 19th century. It founded in 1889 by the Catalan Josep Aller and Charles Zeidler. The Moulin Rouge is renowned for its extravagant shows featuring a combination of music, dance, and elaborate costumes. The performances typically include can-can dancers, singers, acrobats, and other variety acts. It's a popular tourist attraction in Paris, drawing visitors from around the world who come to experience the glamour and excitement of the cabaret. The venue has a rich history and has been featured in numerous works of art, literature, and film, including the aforementioned Moulin Rouge, directed by Baz Luhrmann. If you ever have the chance to visit Paris, catching a show at the Moulin Rouge is definitely an experience to remember. Number 4. The Louvre Museum, one of the largest and most renowned art museums in the world, is located in the city of Paris. With over 380,000 works of art spanning various periods of history, from famous artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Van Gogh to contemporary artists, the Louvre offers a haven for art enthusiasts. Its unparalleled collections, including iconic pieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo, make it a symbol of Parisian cultural and artistic heritage, attracting millions of visitors each year and having wide-ranging influences on global society and artistic culture. And finally, after visiting the Louvre Museum, tourists will be able to visit the restaurants and shops that are located at its exit, and there are also special shops that sell copies of the Louvre Museum works that can be bought as gifts. Number 5.
Petit Palais.
Museum is one of the prominent cultural attractions in Paris. Located in one of the city's historic cultural buildings, this museum presents a unique collection of artworks. With a focus on crafts and interior decoration, the Petite Palais Museum includes pieces from various periods of art history. Additionally, the beautiful architecture of the building itself is a major attraction of the museum. With abundant tourist attractions and diverse cultural programs, the Petite Palais Museum is a favorite destination for visitors from around the world. Moreover, entry to this museum is free for the public, providing everyone with the opportunity to enjoy this extraordinary museum, every day from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. except Mondays.